You know what's funny? People work their whole lives to earn money, but when it comes to managing it, they just wing it. Tell me, does this sound familiar? You check your bank balance and for a split second, you feel rich. Then, the bills start rolling in, and suddenly, you're budgeting your entire life around instant noodles. If this hits home, stick around, because by the end of this, you'll walk away with a clear strategy to manage your personal finances and build wealth smartly. And if you're new here, I'm the Darklight mentor. Consider me your older brother, who actually gives you advice that works. I'll be honest with you, I've been there. There was a time when I thought saving money meant simply not spending too much on coffee. Turns out, that's not financial wisdom. It's just being cheap. I made some terrible decisions with money, thinking I had time to figure it out. And then one day, reality hit me like a freight train. I realized if I didn't get my finances in order, I'd spend my entire life running in circles, working hard, but never really getting ahead. Most people don't fail financially because they don't make enough. They fail because they don't manage what they have. And the worst part? Schools never taught us how to handle money. We learned about photosynthesis, the Pythagorean theorem, and Shakespeare's sonnets. But no one taught us about taxes, budgeting, or investing. So let's break it down right now. First things first, track your spending. If you don't know where your money is going, you're like a blindfolded driver hoping to reach a destination. Check your bank statements, use budgeting apps, or even keep a simple notebook. Because once you see those unnecessary expenses piling up, you'll realize where the leaks are. You'll see that the harmless food deliveries and random online shopping sprees are slowly eating away at your future. Now, let's talk about budgeting. A simple method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. This structure stops you from spending recklessly while ensuring you still enjoy life. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. Would you rather feel broke at the end of every month or have the peace of knowing you're financially stable? The choice is yours. Now comes the part no one wants to hear: debt. If you have debt, tackle it before anything else. Debt is like quicksand. It keeps pulling you down the longer you ignore it. Start with the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then move on to the next. This gives you quick wins and motivation. Or use the avalanche method, which focuses on clearing high-interest debts first. Whichever you choose, just start. Because financial freedom isn't possible with chains of debt holding you back. Next, let's talk about wealth building. Saving and investing. Saving money is great, but keeping all your money in a savings account is like storing water in a leaking bucket. Inflation will eat away at its value. That's why investing is key. Stocks, index funds, real estate. These are the vehicles that grow your money over time. Start small, but start smart. And don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. And let's not forget an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and financial security isn't about how much you earn. It's about how prepared you are. 3 to 6 months of living expenses should be your goal. This isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Because nothing is more stressful than dealing with financial chaos when life throws unexpected problems at you. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Wealth isn't just numbers in a bank account. It's a way of thinking. If you don't respect money, it won't respect you. Stop impulse spending. Stop trying to keep up with others. Stop thinking that being rich means spending more. True wealth is about freedom, the freedom to live life on your terms. And here's your task for today. Take one step toward better financial management. Maybe it's downloading a budgeting app. Maybe it's cutting out one unnecessary expense. Maybe it's setting up an investment account. Whatever it is, start today. Small steps now lead to big results later. Remember, financial success isn't about how much you make. It's about how well you manage what you have. And if you're serious about transforming your financial life, stick with me. Tomorrow, we'll dive deeper into another life-changing topic. See you then.